Welcome back to Nostalgic Moments by Vinyl World. Here, we are going to present HMV Fiesta popular record player. By end of 1950s, the Gramophone Company had invested heavily in record manufacturing facilities in India. However, the high cost of record players was not accessible to the masses. To address this, a line of affordable record players was introduced in the Indian market under the iconic HMV brand. From the 1960s till the mid-1980s, HMV produced many affordable record players and HMV Fiesta Popular was one of them. This player was priced at Rs 514 plus taxes and subsequently reduced to Rs 425 due to large volume sale. By the year 1977, it was India's largest selling record player with over 3 lakhs units sold by 1979. This player is a standalone briefcase style record player with built-in speaker and amplifier. This unit is having a very simple audio output amplifier, but as it is having a ceramic cartridge, the unit has got a good result out of the basic amplifier. This record player is having 3 speeds, that is 45, 33.3 and 78 RPM, and featured a mono HMV cartridge with a flip stylus, one side for 78s and the other for micro grooves. The needle gently descended onto the spinning record with a soft crackle and a hiss, the music began to play. A symphony of that sound transported listeners to distant lands and long forgotten memories. सूरज
कहता था मगर उसमें भी आज है तुझे इतना ही कहता है तुम तुझे कैसे प्यार है कैसे प्यार है कैसे प्यार है वो मेरा तुम कर तुम नाराज ना हो கவிதை உள்ளம் மங்காயிமையும் செல்குமரி மன்மதன் நேருவின் புகழ் பேசுங்கள் மன்மதன் நேருவின் புகழ் பேசுங்கள் கங்கா நதியின் கருணை மனம் காவிரி அன்னையின் கவிதை உள்ளம் குமரி மன்னவன் நேருவின் புகழ் பேசுங்கள் மன்னவன் நேருவின் புகழ் பேசுங்கள்